wipe your nose, please?
1, 2, 3. That's so cute.
You're ridiculous.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Connor, can you wipe your nose, please? Daddy, can you give him a tissue, please? No, look nasty. I feel bamboozled.
1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Hey.
Connor, get a Kleenex.
Please be a big good boy and get a Kleenex.
I'm not.
Connor, come on now.